SOS is one of the greatest features on smartphones, whether it's Android or iOS, but it is one of the features that we least care about. So in this video, I'm going to explain you what is SOS, how to use it, and how can it save your life if you are in danger. So watch this video till the end because it's very important to know. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends because it's a very important feature that we least care about that can save your life if you are in danger. So hey guys, I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena, so let's go. Alright, so SOS is a feature which lets you to call the emergency number and also share your information to one of the contacts that you've added when you are in an emergency situation. And to trigger that, in certain smartphones you have to press your power button 3 times continuously, and in certain other smartphones you have to press it 5 times continuously. It is based on which company of smartphone that you have because each smartphone varies in terms of how many times you have to press the power button. As I said, in certain phones it's 3 and in certain phones it's 5. And in my case it's 5. SOS is pretty much an emergency feature which lets you to call the emergency number without even you unlocking the phone. So basically there's a feature where you can send your location and an SOS message to the contact that you can add. So apart from that, there are many other extra features that different manufacturers offer. For example, Xiaomi offers SOS feature in which you can share the SOS message to all the numbers that called you for the past 1 hour. And in phones like the Google Pixel 6, there's also a feature where you can send your medical information with the video recorded during the emergency situation while you trigger the emergency SOS feature. It's simple, it's very easy to set up, just follow my instructions, it's very simple. And also, by the way, as I said in the beginning, share this video with your friends because it's very important to know. So to set up the SOS feature and add the emergency contact, you need to go to your settings and search for SOS. Now the name of the feature is pretty much the same in almost all the phones, so you can search SOS in your settings. After searching it, you have to add your contact. So this particular setting varies from manufacturer to manufacturer. In Xiaomi smartphones, it'll be add an emergency contact. In my smartphone, which is a Google Pixel 6, it's just that you have to add an emergency contact number. So you have to select the contacts for which you need to send the emergency message when you trigger the SOS feature. So after adding your contact, you have to make sure that you are sharing the location when you trigger the SOS. And also in certain smartphones, as I said, there is a toggle to enable sharing SOS messages to the call history of the past 1 hour that you got. Apart from that, there are some other features like sharing your medical ID and medical details, and also sharing the video while you have recorded during the emergency situation. So this is a feature that is very important to know. And I know this is a very small video explaining about SOS feature, but I thought it is very important to make because many of them do know this exists but never use it until and unless there's a problem. And after a problem comes, you'll be like, I should have or I could have used the emergency SOS feature. Let me show you how this feature works. So this is the smartphone from which I'm going to trigger the SOS, and this is the phone to which the message is going to come. So let me trigger the SOS by pressing the power button 5 times continuously. So the SOS has started. So this is the message that came in as soon as I triggered the SOS feature from my smartphone. And in this, there is a link which will redirect you to the video that was recorded during the emergency situation. And as you can see, there is a video over here. And apart from that, there is also another link which will redirect you to the Google Map location of the place from where I've triggered the SOS. As you can see, the Google Map is loading in. So this means it will show you the live location from where I've triggered the emergency SOS. So there you have it. This is how you set up the SOS feature on pretty much any smartphone, whether it's Android or iOS. And the most part that I've shown in this is how to set up SOS on Android. You have to follow the same kind of instructions even in your iOS devices. And there are, I believe, extra features on iOS devices like what we have in my Pixel phone. So yes, this is a very important feature, and this is one of the features that people don't really use, but it's very important. So share this video with all of your friends and make sure this is being set up. And hey, if you end up liking watching my content, a like to this video would be great. And also subscribe my channel because most of you forget to subscribe to my channel, and it's pretty simple. Just click the red color subscribe button, make it gray, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.